Yo, what's up? It's J2O, man. You already know we out here for another episode 16 of my podcast. And the topic is how to know when to stop trading. Everybody wants to know when to stop trading, and it's different for everybody. My reason to stop trading might be different from your reasons. And it's okay, because everybody's different. I don't feel like everyone should have the same type of rules in life. But, many people have ways that make sense that a lot of people like to use. So, some reasons to know when to stop the trade would be when you keep losing. Like, losing happens in trading. Let's say if you lose more than 3 times in a row, you could get out the trade. Or you could just keep trading. But some people have a certain amount of trades they want to lose before they get out before they stop trading. For example, let's say I lose 5 trades in a row, then I'll stop trading. Or let's say I win 3, then lose 2, then win 3, then lose 2, then win 3, then lose 2. That'd be like 2, 4, 6. That's 6 losses right there. So some people have a total amount of losses they're willing to take for that day, or some people just want to go on consecutive losing streaks before they get out, because it can happen in the market. And sometimes when you go on a losing streak, you can start to revenge trade and overtrade, and then you will be like, oh snap, what do I do? I'm about to blow my account. And that's when you know you're in the wrong, when you're about to blow your account. Because when you trade and revenge trade, that's when the markets like to take over. And when they take over, they mess with your mind, and then that's when you really will lose and blow your account, and then you're at the mercy of the market makers. So be careful going losing streaks. It's okay to lose like 3 and just be done for the day. Sure, you can make it back that same day if you wanted to, if it's better market conditions. Or you could get your mind right, get your composure, and then start to trade again later, or the next day or the next trading session. So that's what I would do. But it might not be something you're comfortable doing. So whatever you can make sense of, just use that. If you make sense of losing trades in a row before you're done trading, cool. If you're trying to lose a certain amount of trades a day, then go for that target. Let's say I lose like 10 trades in a day. Depending the type of trader you are, some people trade a lot of trades a day. They're scalpers that like in and out positions. Some people might take only like 2 or 3 trades a day and call it a day. Or some people might stack trades and stack like multiple positions around the same entry point, and that's be like multiple trades. So they're wrong, that's multiple losses, and that counts. So this all depends on what works for you or your style of trading. But more of the story, how to know when you stop trading is to definitely know when you're losing, or you feel like you're just not right and you're just losing. So that's when you should stop trading. Like, overall, my opinion, but that's when you should stop trading, when you're losing. And everybody has different account sizes and different position size. So some people may take, let's say, have a big account and only risking like 1% per trade. So if you lose 10 trades, risking 1%, that's like 10% of your account. Versus someone who's going to be trading using maybe 1 trade could be like 40% of the account. 2 trades right there, that's 80% they lose. 2 trades, that's 8%, versus someone who loses 10 trades, and that's 10% of their count. So it's subjective depending on your position size. So when people have rules, you guys have to consider, is rules based off the count size or the amount they're willing to lose. Some days I have a rule like, okay, I want to lose $200. I don't care if I do a small position size or a big position size. The goal is, if I lose 200, I'm done. Obviously, if you have a small position size, you could absorb more risk, more drawdown. But if you're going for certain targets, like for targets for profits or target for loss in dollar amounts, then you must consider, okay, if I hit this amount, then let me get out. You feel me? Or you could be like, oh snap, yeah, I hit my 200 target loss, but maybe still gonna go my way. Let me wait a little longer, and then it goes to 250, maybe 300. So you have to be disciplined in handling these losses because it could come in trading, you know, and it's okay to lose. Don't get caught up with the hype where everybody's showing these screenshots of making profits, you know, and then not showing the losses, you know. Losses can happen, and it's okay to cut your losses short. That many people are talking about it, but you must learn to cut your losses short to be successful in trading. I mean, I don't care how much you win. I want to know how you mitigate your losses. Because if you could do that, then you'll be a deadly trader. Because you won't be scared to win and you won't be scared to lose. Therefore, there's no fear in the market. And then you know you can always build back your account. You know, some people can't do that because they're busy and risking too much and losing it real quick. You may have a bad day, a bad trading week, a bad Monday, and that Monday ruined the rest of the week. So therefore, that one event in Monday caused them to be like done for the week. So you don't want to be in that position, you know. You want to live to trade another day. So as a forex keeping a real king, I'm just letting you know, you must learn how to mitigate your losses, and that's be the key to your breakthrough. Because there's so many traders out there who want to be profitable, who trying to look for the perfect strategy, and there's many different ways. So I cannot tell anybody the best way to trade, because what works for me might not work for you. But you know, with trial and error, you can kind of figure things out, see what works for you. I know many different ways to trade. I tried different ways. I may still use some stuff I learned in the past, you know, because you know the market conditions always changes every week. So sometimes I might have to like even alter the way I trade due to certain market events. Especially like when news happen, like the whole coronavirus stuff, it could affect how the market moves for a certain period. So you got to be mindful about that when you trade. So I hope this is helpful to many people who want to know how to handle losses. And just remember, you know, you have to make rules for yourself in trading. Try to follow the rules. Sometimes I even break my rules, because when you trade for a long time, sometimes you get lazy and break your rules. But being disciplined is very important, so you must try to be disciplined and try to follow your rules, good or bad, and just keep it steady, you know, and take notes of what happened, the pros and the cons, and just keep at it. You know, figure out the pairs you like to trade, why you're losing. Is it because you have bad entries? Is it because you're risking too much? Stuff like that. Or if you don't really understand what's going on with that currency pair or that commodity or whatever you trade. So just remember that and take these notes, and you will be successful in the long run. You know, patience is virtue, and trading game is all about patience, and you're gonna hear that often. Or maybe may have never heard that before. But all I gotta say is patience is virtue, and to stay patient. So if you want to know more, just, you know, like, follow, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna continue to post more content to help some of you new or novice traders out there. So you already know, man, it's J2O. We out here.